Should you make repairs before you list your home? The answer is yes. We are in a market where insurance has gone up, rates have gone up, prices of homes have gone up, and the amount of cash that buyers have sitting in the bank is not going as far as it did a few years ago. So making repairs is really important for two reasons. Number one, it helps a buyer feel confident in offering on your home. Number two, if repairs are done, it makes the option period where they have inspections, negotiate repairs, go so much more smoothly because we've eliminated some of those roadblocks. So I know that we've done a video about a pre-listing inspection that we really highly encourage and believe in to help navigate roadblocks or eliminate them. But yes, there's two types of repairs. There's cosmetic and then there's maintenance. Maintenance is very important when it comes to maybe a faucet leaking, or a toilet is not set correctly, or it could be bigger, such as the HVAC is losing freon, or the roof has some hail damage. All of those things can take time. You may have to work through insurance with it. So to be able to complete those items before going live will save so much stress and headache. We would love the honor to walk you through that pre-listing inspection and giving you advice of what to have repaired and what not to have repaired, because not everything will give you the ROI that you are seeking, the rate of return that you are seeking. So please contact Bock Realty Group, and it would be the joy of our team to serve you.